Now, another thing, current aspect, India and Sri Lanka, Jaffna, Palk Strait, Gulf of Mannar, maritime boundary and issues with fishermen being caught and all this one. और अभी हाल ही में Katchatheevu, the issue with Katchatheevu Island. See, Gulf of Mannar and the Palk Strait, the number of islands are there. ठीक है, तो now recent with India and Sri Lanka, if you look at a dispute here, so there you can see here, this is the part of Dhanush Kodi, Rameswaram, and this place called Dhanush Kodi, Gulf of Mannar जो part है, and Jaffna, Jaffna, which used to be a part of LTT, Liberation of Tamil Tiger Alam, that is part of Sri Lanka, northern part of Sri Lanka, the island nation. So with Sri Lanka, we have a dispute with respect to Jaffna. But after the elimination of LTTE, right? And then this part here, we have this Katchatheevu. See here, this is the island called Katchatheevu Island. Katchatheevu Island. In that area, Palk Strait, that area there. So if you look at India and Sri Lanka, Palk Strait, confined area of shallow water, India and Sri Lanka. Talai Mannar on the Jaffna. So this is Jaffna here, right? Palk Strait, Talai Mannar in the Jaffna Peninsula of Sri Lanka is only 32 kilometers away from Dhanush Kodi. If you take Dhanush Kodi, this is here Dhanush Kodi, Rameswaram. So if you take this area, Talai Mannar, it's just 32 kilometers. It's just 32 kilometers away from Dhanush Kodi. That is the area, Rameswaram, the tip of India. 32 kilometers is that Talai Mannar. Right? So maritime boundary which comes there. So here, Tamil Nadu coast, Adams Bridge, what you call Pamban. This is called Pamban Bridge. Made of the number of islands are there, which connect both the countries, India and Sri Lanka. And there, these were disputed. Most of it, the Sri Lanka problem has been resolved in peace. That India and Sri Lanka already has resolved in peace this kind of island dispute in the Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar region. Then 1974, India presented to Sri Lanka. Again 74, that time, India presented to Sri Lanka to resolve these island issues.